Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix pin not accepted on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, click and hold the power on button and restart your phone. That may help with the glitches that may occur on your phone while typing in the pin. So I'll be back with you when the phone is restarted. Now try your pin once again, and as you can see it works for me, but if it's still not working for you, then click and hold. Now click and hold the power off, and the pop-up to reboot to safe mode will appear. Click OK. And now wait for your phone to restart once again. And your phone should be in the safe mode. You can see it in the bottom left corner. And now try to put in your pin. Once again, it will help to bypass all the glitches that may appear in the normal mode. If it's still not working, then power off your phone, and we will go into the recovery mode to perform a factory reset. This will wipe out all of your data on the phone. So if you can't afford that, then visit Brown Service Center with proof or of purchase your phone. Now, power on button and volume down button at the same time. Let go of the power on button, just the volume down. Okay, I needed to do it one more time because I missed it. And now we're in the boot menu, so with volume up, go to the recovery mode and volume down to select. Now wait for the recovery mode to open. And now with volume down, go to wipe data factory reset and click the power on button. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.